Hello, good evening. So this is the third project of the IoT subject, and there is two main tasks. The first one is with our Cucumber board, and the second one is with our desktop and laptop. So the first one is to get the temperature data for 10 consecutive hours. So I've already did this on the Pi and export it as a CSV file right here. So this is the time and the temperature that I collected for 10 hours right here. And the next task is to use the temperature data to predict the next temperature data from the previous 5 measurements, and using the A train and 2 test split. So comes to the collab. First of all, I just import some important library and then put my series file here and import the data into the collab. So this is the just the head of the data, and check the type of the data. So I found out that the temperature is already uploaded, but the time data is in the object format like this. So the first thing I did is try to show the temperature data in a graph format. So this one is when I try to adjust the x-axis to show the time, like right like this, and show the data. So this is the data I've collected, and then let's move to the prediction part. So after import the important library, the first thing I did was to shift the temperature column so that I can compare with the 5 previous measurements, and then define the feature which is x and the target which is y. So the feature will be the 5 temperature data that we are going to use to predict the next temperature. So x will be 10, 5 temperature earlier, and y will be the temperature that we are going to predict. And use the split train and test model by 8 and 2. So the test size will be 0.2 out of 1, and the train size will be 0.8 out of 1. And use the model training to predict and evaluate the result by the mean absolute error and the mean square error. So this is the mean absolute error and the mean square error, which is both of them is quite low. So we can see that like the prediction data temperature is not really error from the real actual temperature that we get. And this is the graph that I plot to compare the actual temperature and the predicted temperature. So this is all for the project number 3. Thank you.